Hello friends, myself and Revati, Computer Science Department. My topic is robotics. Okay, robotics means study and applications of robot technology. Just say what is mean by robot. In simple words, we can say that mechanical device that performs human tasks either automatically or by remote control, isn't it? So a robot, a word robot comes from the Latin word robota, that means forced labor. If we say any work means it will just do. So its meaning is forced labor. Okay. A robot is a machine that can move and do certain tasks. Robots are controlled by a computer program or electronic circuitry. They may be directly controlled by humans. Yeah, as I said before, they may be directly controlled by humans. They may be designed to look like humans, in which case their behavior may suggest intelligence or thought, but they do not have feelings. Yeah, it may be look like humans, but it just don't have any feelings, no. So that's the point. They do not have any feelings. Leonardo da Vinci designed a man shaped machine to look like a knight in 1464. It would be controlled with ropes and wheels. Other engineers and dreamers drew mechanical men. In 1920, Karel Capek wrote a story about them and he used a word from chess that is connected with work, that is robot. The most successful robot designs in the 20th century were not made to look like people. They were designed for use, just for use. George David made the first of these, the Unimate, in 1954 with one arm and one hand. The first robot, the name was the Unimate in 1954, and it was just like with one arm and one hand robot. Okay. According to people, the definition of the robot has a different meaning. But according to Robot Institute of America, a robot is a reprogrammable, multifunctional manipulator designed to move material, parts, tools, or specialized devices through various program motions for the performance of a variety of tasks. The use of robots continues to change numerous aspects of our everyday life. Exactly. In what and all situations, in healthcare, education, and job satisfaction. Robots are going to be a major part of the world economy. They help ways to make our daily life easier and assist in producing more products. There are three laws of robotics. They are a robot may not injure a human being or through inaction allow a human being to come to harm. A robot must obey orders that is given to by human beings except where such orders would conflict with the first law. And the last law is a robot must protect its own existence as long as such protection does not conflict with the first or second law. Okay. There are so many types of robots is there, but some of them just see, okay. Mechanical boats come in all shapes and sizes to efficiently carry out the task for which they are designed. All robots vary in design, functionality, and degree of autonomy. Let's see some of the types of robots. Pre-programmed robots. Pre-programmed robots means it's nothing but it just operate in a controlled environment where they do simple and monotonous tasks. It perform a particular action. Robots are programmed either by guiding or by offline programming. And next one is humanoid robots. As you all know, I hope. Okay, humanoid robots are robots that look like a human behavior, and it's like it look like human also. And these robots usually perform human like activities, running, jumping, and carrying objects, and are sometimes designed to look like us, even having human faces and expressions also. It will give some expressions also. See, this is one of the most prominent example of humanoid robot, that is Hansen Robotics. Her name is Sophia. Just see her face. It's look like exactly human face. Then autonomous robots. Autonomous robots operate independently of human operators. These robots are usually designed to carry out tasks in open environments that do not require human supervision. Teleoperated robots. Teleoperated robots are semi-autonomous bots. Yeah, just like autonomous robots, but semi-autonomous robots. And it uses a wireless network to enable human control from a safe distance. Okay. Now we just saw the types of robots. Now we are going to see some of the top most robots in the world. First one is Walker. Walker is a agile, intelligent, bipedal humanoid robot. Okay, it's standing at 1.5 millimeter 1.5-meter tall, the new version of Walker is more advanced than ever. It is able to interact with people and even has the ability to walk smoothly and quickly and to grasp and manipulate objects. Yeah, this is a Walker robot. Then second one is Samsung Bot Retail. Bot Retail is the biggest with a large front display and basic shelving system at the back, allowing to deliver food or other items. A shelf will be like there, no? So this only. Unique features is Samsung Bot Retail has the ability to interact with people, make payments, and recognize objects using the front-facing camera. Yeah, there is one camera, so through that it will face it recognize the objects. And third one is Mikey, the kitchen assistant robot. It is a concept personal kitchen assistant. Okay, whether you are an experienced cook or just a beginner, whatever. But Mikey can be a handy companion to have at the kitchen counter. It can plan your meal by connecting to a network of home appliances. For example, it helps you find recipes with just the ingredients available in the fridge. Something interesting, no? Okay, this is Mikey, the kitchen assistant robot. And the last, I think so, Professor Einstein, the miniature robot genius. This is one of the topmost robot in world. This version of miniature Einstein offers a familiar face in the companion robot category. This home robot is also just as smart and can be a great teacher as well as a companion. It uses a company's cloud based database to answer various questions while connected to the internet. The genius robot can more than keep a conversation going by maintaining eye contact and over 50 facial expressions to offer. Just say this. This is Einstein's robot, and just see the genius robot can more than keep a conversation. It can keep a conversation going by through eye contact, and it will give 50 facial expressions to offer. It's very interesting. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.